Happy holidays. My name is Michael Leizerman here with the Trial Guides Tip of the Day this Tuesday, December 27th, 2022. Today's tip comes from John Morgan's You Can't Teach Hungry. Building a law firm is much like building a circus. As I have put together my legal circus, I have been very aware of what the public expects and wants. As you begin to build your law firm, think of it as building the greatest show on earth. Always try to find something in the tip that I agree with, right? Because circus wouldn't be my first analogy for my law firm. And yet, greatest show on earth, a show and what the public expects and wants. So there is something about being out there in the public and meeting expectations. I agree with that. Um, Circus, I guess, conjures thoughts of spectacle. Um, and I guess what the public thinks they want. I think of the Peggy Lee song, a great song. Is that all there is? Is that all there is? Is that all there is to a circus? Um, so that's very interesting. What is the law firm, and what do you? I'll say this: John Morgan has built the largest plaintiffs' law firm, and so he's doing something right. Yeah. And for him, thinking of a circus is helpful. For me, I don't know if it's a circus or a library or I don't know what. It's just not what I think of. Um, and maybe that's the point, to think of what feels right for you, but to hold yourself out as a firm with some intentionality, to think about how you present. Certainly, John Morgan does that. And that's something I can learn from, to think of how am I being perceived? How's the firm being perceived in what we put out, not just on the internet, but in the world, right? Um, I'm someone that it's important to act with integrity. Is that coming through without being, oh, not condescending, but kind of overly pedantic or trying too hard? So certainly worth thinking about this this week running up to the new year. So still going to get some antibiotics this morning. Still have this sickness that I've had for a bit. I think a lot of people have this. How about you? I hope you're healthy, or if not, recovering quickly. All right, let's just put our mind on Happy Tuesday, and what can we do today to help reduce suffering in the world, to help be lawyers who are fierce and compassionate in the world, who have a mind on what the public expects, and uh, create our own reality that feels authentic to us. This week, I know I have a lot of administrative tasks wrapping up the year, counting things and case management things. And as we do those tasks, sometimes I'll just do one of those tasks, take a breath, be grateful that I have those tasks to do, that I'm not in the Ukraine being bombed, or living in another time or place where I wouldn't even have these opportunities, or other conditions in this country now, and I wouldn't have these opportunities. So, in any event, I'm grateful to be alive this Tuesday. How about you? I'm going to ring a bell 3 times now. This can take you into a meditation practice, a prayer practice, or just remind you it's Tuesday, December 27th, 2022. Go out, do good things, and have fun while you're doing it.